Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some very quick but extremely impactful and affordable projects that can completely transform your bathroom vanity in probably just a weekend. A lot of you probably have this very standard type of bathroom vanity with golden oak wood cabinets and a large builder grade nothing to write home about mirror. Well, truth be known, this is not even my actual vanity as I forgot to take a picture, but I did a quick internet search and found one almost identical, so I know they're out there. My first step for this quick makeover was to paint the cabinetry. I have been doing this to all the cabinetry in my home, and this was the last cabinet that needed this upgrade. And the key to making this project easy and manageable is two things: the kind of paint that I use and the way I applied it. First, the paint. I absolutely have loved using this Valspar cabinet paint that creates a very durable finish. It is oil enhanced, so it goes on very smoothly, yet you can still just use water and soap for cleanup. As you can see by the instructions, this paint does not require priming. You need to clean the surfaces thoroughly, and unless you have an extremely glossy or damaged surface, you don't even need to sand. I usually use a foam roller for most every surface and a small brush to get into the nooks and crannies. As you can see here, in this case, I did not even remove all the hardware. I decided to leave the doors on. And that's another key for making this project quick and easy. I did not have to worry about what door goes where, or having to find a way to hang the door so I could paint the front and the back on the same go. I was able to paint all around the door. Now, I did try to be careful around the hinges, and I used an artist brush whenever possible, and a wet rag as well, in case the paint went where I did not want it to. Now you'll notice that I did remove the knobs on the doors just to make the painting a bit easier. I had put these knobs on a while back and I still really like them, so I did not change them this time around. But again, if you don't like your hardware, it is extremely easy and affordable to change them. I would suggest though keeping to the holes that are already there, as filling holes and painting over them doesn't always work great. Now for the next quick project, I decided to add a frame around my large mirror above the counter. At first, I considered using molding and just doing a 45-degree cut at each corner, but the cost of the molding pieces was a bit higher than I wanted to spend, and there was going to be a lot of waste. So I opted for cheap pine, 1x3 common boards, nothing special about them, and I used these rosettes for the corners, so at least I had a little bit of detail. I stained all the pieces with this Minwax stain that I already had in my favorite color, Jacobean. I did 2 not so thin coats to get a rich color. I decided to glue the pieces around the mirror. I did take out the 4 mirror clips that were at the top and bottom. The new trim pieces should hopefully hold the mirror in place. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this short video and that you get some inspiration for your next project. Until the next time.